Okay, let's keep going here. I'll go back to letter C now. Okay, on letter C, we're going to distribute again. Who cares if it's p or p to the fifth? P to the fifth times p to the fifth. That is where we've been adding the exponents. We get p to the 10th. The mistake is to say p to the 25th. I get that, but we are adding exponents. And then we get 8p to the fifth, and then we distribute the negative 8. Negative 8p to the fifth minus 64. Combine like terms, p to the 10th, p5s. Those are opposite coefficients, so they're going to cancel out. And then we're left with a minus 64. This is considered to be a 10th degree. Now, I'm sure there's a special name for 10th degree. Don't care. And there are two terms, so it's a binomial still. Okay, letter E. Let's go ahead and distribute. 2x times 2x. 2x times negative 5. Distribute the 5. 10x minus 25. Combine like terms. 4x squared. Here on the linear terms, the negative 10x and the 10x cancel out again because they are opposite coefficients. And then the constant. And we call this a quadratic. And two terms is binomial. Letter F. Keep distributing. 4x to the 6, add the exponents. Minus 10x to the third, plus 10x to the third, minus 25. 4x to the 6 is the first term. The cubic terms, the x to the thirds, cancel out because they're opposite coefficients. Minus 25. And this is a 6th degree binomial. Okay, letter G. Just take your time. We got this first term where we're distributing a negative 2g squared. So multiply. Negative 6g to the fifth, add those exponents. Minus 12g to the third, add the exponents. Okay, a little bit more multiplication going on. Plus 2g squared plus 4g minus 3g minus 6. Okay, a lot of terms there. The parentheses are gone, but we can start combining, and I'm going to start with that negative 6g to the fifth. I've got a cubic here, and that's it. I've got a quadratic here, and that's it. I've got a linear term, okay, and that gives me 1g minus 6. So this is a 5th degree, or we call a quintic, and we end up with 5 terms, so we call this a 5-term polynomial. Okay, letter H. Okay, letter H, if we look closely in between, we are adding these. On the other ones, we are multiplying. So we're going to go back from the first day of things, get rid of the parentheses by distributing a 1, and then right here, that's also a positive 1. So as we distribute them, that doesn't change anything besides gets rid of our parentheses. And then we combine like terms, starting with that largest exponent to put it into standard form. 11x cubed. The quadratic terms give me 17. The linear terms give me 13x. This is a 3rd degree or a cubic and trinomial because of 3 terms. What did I just say? Cubic or 3rd degree trinomial. And back here I said it could also be called a quintic, 5-term polynomial. Okay.